My name is Charbel El Khoury. I'm the Director of Learning and Development at Al Habtoor City. This session is all about you. What is a mindset? What is a self-leadership? Your attitude towards something. I agree. He said perceive, right? The way you perceive. Perspective, this is the word. So attitude, mindset. The way you think, behavior. What do you see in these photos? But I need to hear more noise. Your partner have an amazing answer, let me know. Tell them, what do you see?
People mostly have the same mindset and perspective. They believe this is the end of the line when they reach specific goals. But this could be you.
There's like an umbrella and there's like the shadow. I feel like the shadow, like the fear.
Do not know what you eat, Allah.
People might say, ha ha ha, you go on stage, you lose. At least you tried. Don't waste the opportunities that you have in life. Today I'm best, maybe after 1 year you have other people, I don't know. But I promise you one thing, I will always try my best, do my best. I will always deliver my best. Thank you for having me.